how to fix messenger calls not showing up on screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix messenger calls not showing up on screen. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1, that is to enable the notification. So here you can simply long press on the Messenger app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu you can just tap on app info. And now here, once you're inside the app settings, then what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on app permissions. And now here, make sure that you have enabled all these options. And with that being said, you can go back and tap on notification as well. And here, make sure that you have enabled the notification. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to enable the chat hits or bubbles. So here you can simply go to the Messenger app, and now here once you're inside you can just tap on the menu icon which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, then you can simply search for the chat hits option and simply toggle it on. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to update the messenger. So here, if you're having the screen problems on messenger, then what you can do is simply open the Play Store. And now here, once you're inside the Play Store, then you can simply search for the Messenger app. And there, if you find any update button available, then you can simply tap on it to update the Messenger to the latest version. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to reinstall the Messenger if needed. So there, if you're having the problem even after doing all these above steps, then what you can do is simply uninstall the app, and once you're done uninstalling, then you can simply reinstall it from the Play Store and log in again and check if the calls appear. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.